Hello everyone here, welcome to one more session of tradingcommodity.com, and in this session we will try to analyze Cipla. Now if you see the past 7 or 8 days of chart here, you can see that there are huge negative bands over here. Now clearly big negative bands do not indicate that the stock will come down, but these negative bands are very special. These are actually inverted hammers. You can see over here, this is inverted hammer here, this is a big inverted hammer here. So clearly the sellers are heavily aggressive. So Cipla is completely in a downtrend. And second very important point to note here is, with each downtrend, with every downtrend bar, there is a rising volume. A rising volume here indicating that yes, that Cipla is in a complete mood of downtrend. And one more point I would like to add to this fall here is that this fall is a very steep fall. If you compare this fall, or I'll say the inclination of this fall as compared to the previous fall, in the previous times the falls were like 45%. If you see approximately, the scale was approximately 45%. But this time the fall is 30%, which is quite steep. And also I would like to add one more data point over here. There are two great support levels of Cipla. One is 380, that is support level 1, and the other one is 350, which is support level 2. Now this steep fall is already breaching this support level 1. So I expect from this the fall will actually try to reach 350 levels. So the big question here arises is that why am I talking about a stock which is actually in a downtrend? Now as a trader we look for opportunities, and opportunities come when there is a change, and for a change there should be a trend. Now in Cipla's chart we can see clearly there is a downtrend, a very strong downtrend. And I have explained why it's a strong downtrend in the previous part of the video. But at some moment of time, must be around 380 levels or 350 levels, we should see some signs, probably of reversal. Now that reversal sign can be in a form of an engulfing pattern, or probably we'll see a hammer, or probably we'll see a piercing pattern, whatever it is. We can then take confirmations and execute our trade. So for now, this stock goes in our watch list, for signs of reversal and confirmation. So if the stock comes around 350 levels, you can take a short-term position here, and then at 380 levels, probably 380 levels will be the first level where you can make profits. And if you are feeling a bit more greedy, you can try even 410 levels. So for now, probably this stock can go in your watch list. Watch this stock, watch for the reversal pattern, then also watch for the confirmation of the reversal pattern, and I hope that this stock will make you profits. So you can take positions in 350. First level of selling can happen at 380, that is 30 rupees extra, and then second level of selling can happen at 410. Thank you so much.